guys, thank you for being back to my channel. Thanks a lot. I hope you are enjoying my content, and if you haven't done yet, and if you want to see more content related to digital in fashion, digital fashion on Procreate, and how to use Procreate, and just know a little about me, about my experience in passive income with illustrations, just join my channel and hit the notification bell. You will not miss anything from my channel. Now, having said this, today I want to show you a very quick and easy tutorial that is related to my last one that I made when I posted my video on how you can paint kind of realistic denim fabric, and I made it in two different ways. If you haven't seen it yet, no panic, I will link down below everything, okay? Now, I felt, in fact, that my tutorial was missing something, which was, yes, okay, denim fabric, and then I want to show you how I make my jeans ripped, and that's something so easy that anyone can learn, even if you are a beginner. And promise me, you guys will take time to make practice. If you want to have my opinion, I am nothing exceptional. I don't consider myself the guru of digital illustration, but trust me, I seen something along the way, and I've done something along the way. So maybe one day I'll make a story time video, so I'll tell you more in detail. Okay, so for now, I will disappear happily from the camera and I will show you the actual tutorial. And it's very easy. You can do it on your iPad. You can do it with any editing app that you have. I'll promise. That's so easy. Thank you, guys. Big Italian kiss and hug. Love you. Bye. Enjoy the video. I've prepared this illustration of a pair of jeans to show you the process, and believe me, it's very easy. The first technique I'll show you uses a textured brush like this. For anyone wondering, a textured brush looks like this. It doesn't give a smooth, even stroke. Okay, now grab your textured brush, set it to white on a new level and start drawing tightly packed horizontal lines like I'm going to show you right now. Okay, like this. Now, once you have made the first lines, go ahead and add a few shorter ones too. Because, ribs, they start small, but they tend to get larger and larger and larger with time. Now, this is what it should look like, okay? And you can see it's on a separate layer, so you can adjust in the way you like and experiment a little bit. Now, for my second technique I want to show you, what I do is I am choosing the monoline pen or technical pen, which is by default on Procreate. when you buy it. This is a very smooth kind of brush, no texture, but you have to set it very little, about 6 pixels, and you do the same. You basically do the same. You first start with horizontal lines very close together, and then you can add some loose strands of fabric that are hanging outside, because this is what really happens to denim. When you cut denim, you can really see it somehow. It's like a braid that unfolds by itself, you know. It's like when you unbraid your braid, and it starts to separate all the fabric. And then if you want to give more realistic look, you can use your airbrush in a very dark blue to add a little bit of shadow behind the ribs, so that it won't look just like a patch or something that has no dimension. Okay, now you can see I played a little bit with the colors and saturations, and I have placed my ribs on different area of my denim jeans, and you can see them all together, dark blue, black, and a little bit lighter. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for spending time with me. Bye!